We go. What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 8/20/2015. We're doing our 5-box baseball mixer. The random for teams and owners was done in a separate video. There were no trades. Let's just recap it real quick. We got 9 on the dice. We had White Sox down to Cubs with 9 times at the timestamp. We had John T on top down to Janice F and the timestamp. In alphabetical order by owner, first name. Braves and Orioles, Austin A. Minnesota Twins, Brandon S. Janice F. with the Rockies and the Cubs. Jeremy A. with the Royals. John T. has the White Sox and the Cardinals. Kent R. has the Nationals. Lonnie L. has the Dodgers. Mark D. has the Brewers and the Astros. Peter E. has the Blue Jays, Mariners, Diamondbacks, Tigers, Mets, and Marlins. Richard A. has the Padres and the Rays. Shane M. has the Pirates, Phillies, Yankees. Steve B. with the Giants. Tim W. with the Indians. Todd H. with the Reds and Athletics. Vic J, Angels, Rangers, and Red Sox. All right. Get rid of that. There it is. What do you guys want to open first? We got Bowman Jumbo, the perfect game. We have Trinity, we have Onyx, or we have Elite. Or don't you care and let it be dealer's choice. Onyx, agent calls for Onyx. Let's see what we can pull out of this weird product, but cool. Yeah. Okay. Not the same Onyx. Alright, little mini pack here. Alright, what we got in Onyx? Greg Bird for the Yankees, who hit 2 home runs yesterday, I think. Alright, we got an auto right out of the gate here of Jake Thompson. Jake Thompson, that goes to the Texas Rangers and Vic J. Vic J getting that hit right out of the gate. Jake Thompson auto. See if we get anything else.
One box of this in our last mixer, right?
Yeah, we did 2 boxes like the one before that. Austin Meadows rookie. Angel Aguilar. Make sure we have no numbering on these. Okay. Thing is, they could have 2 autos in them. They could end up with 1 auto in them. Let's do Elite next. I like Elite. We'll do Elite next. Then we'll do Perfect Game for Kevin. But it's a different perfect game. It's not as many, and remember the last ones were just encased stuff. This is actual packs, so I don't know how it's going to be. We have to look at their 2013 team.
Well, the positive on that is that's an older product, so they're guaranteed to be assigned to something by now.
Possibly.
Possibly. If they've been assigned, it would have been.
Yeah, there's a Chris Bryant hype rookie. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing again. Starting off strong here. Alright, let's see what we got. We got a Dustin Pedroia throwback. And we got a green to 199 to Buster Posey. Not a hit, but parallel. Parallel right there. Hype Francisco Lindor. right. How about this one? How about this hit? Wow. This is why I like this stuff. For the Cubbies, Janice F., Addison Russell, Future Threads, eBay 101, 1 of 25. Boom. Check out that patch auto. Addison Russell, Cubs on the board. How about Reds on the board with a Joey Votto blue die cut to 19. That's Todd H. Yes, Todd H. 7 out of 19 blue die cut. Nothing there. Fall Legends, Shipper Jones, not numbered. Brandon Finnegan from TCU. All right, Cubs again. Matt Scherzer. Auto for the Cubs. So 2 Cubs hits. Scissor. How about this? Angels. Who has the Angels? Vic J. Hey, Vic. How about this, buddy? I think that's a button. That's a lace. It's like a shoelace. Elite Series. Mike Trout. This will make up. You can flip this real good. Mike Trout, you could thank Agent for talking into the extra spot. Mike Trout, that looks like a piece of shoe. That's a 4 or 5 boom right there. Stuff is crazy. That's just ridiculous. And there you go. You're going to complete all 3 of your teams are going to get hits here. Edwin Escobar for the Red Sox. Edwin Escobar for the Red Sox. Jersey. Mariano Rivera Gold Stars, and the last pack. Nothing in there, but a thick box of Elite. I think we might do a case of this next week. I gotta check the pricing on it. We already did 1 case, and I keep buying boxes because I love it. Alright, let's do Perfect Game. Perfect Game 2013 coming at us. Says 12 packs per box and each one contains an auto. Plus 2 bonus metal card packs. Looks good. There's that. Let's see what we got here. Get ready. Get ready. All right, Kev. First auto, Hunter Parkinson.
Let me see.
Just like the disease.
Oh my goodness. It's getting right back to that perfectgame.org website.
Okay.
Summer team, NorCal baseball.
You gotta look up that Major League Baseball index thing. He doesn't. If none of these guys are signed with a team, then what I do is I take the random, all the hitless teams and all the players. So you got nothing right now on that one?
Nothing right now.
See, that's green. I thought that would be numbered. This one's to 50. How about this guy, Kev? Ooh, this sounds familiar, this name. I think we had him in something else. Toyuki Toussaint.
Baseball Reference got a hit on him, so he's got to have a team, I would imagine.
I would guess.
Where are the MLB team assignments on that page?
You just click on it, it tells you who he says.
Braves on. I'll go with that from Vic.
Alright, Braves. Let me just put that in there. Toiki. Braves. Okay. Mark that one down, Braves. Alright, let's see what we got next here. How about this one? Kirvin, Kev. Curvin. Mosquit.
I think it might be Orioles, maybe. Just give me a minute here.
Alright.
Orioles 2015, Twins 2014.
So that'll be Twins.
Twins?
Yep, because it's a 2013 product, so it would go to whoever. So we're going to go with Twins on that one. Even though his current team is the Orioles. Okay. So far only one without a team. That's good. Unless anybody can find Hunter Parkinson somewhere. Right, here comes another one. Grant Hokin. Grant Hokin. Hockin.
Looks like Indians, maybe? Let's see.
Okay. Could be Cleveland.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying too, Vic. Let's see. Drafted by round 2 Indians 2014.
That's good. Grant Hokin, Indians. Indians is Tim W. Austin A had the Braves Toyuki hit, and Brandon S got that Twins Curvin card. Alright, let's see what else we got. I mean, at least their names are like not going to be confused with anybody else here. It's not like John Smith. Amani Willis.
See the spelling on that.
IMANI. Willis with 2 L's, 1 S.
There's Monty Williams that's trying to. Perfect game. Come on, Monty. No team assignment on the perfect game site.
Alright, we'll put that on the site for now. Ones you don't find right away, then we'll
Research it out there.
yeah, research why I'm doing the rest of it, and we'll figure it out. All right, this one's out of 52. How about John Little? Littel. Jon.
Double L at the end?
Littell. Yep.
Come on, John Littell. Round 39 Nationals 2014.
Okay, Nationals. Kent R. Picking that one up. Littell. Okay. Marking it down.
Tom's marking down.
Alright, Luis Martinez. Now that one's going to come up with a whole bunch of stuff. Probably. There's probably multiple Luis Martinezes.
Yeah. Any information, like where from?
Pitcher, 220 pounds. Luis Martinez.
On the Perfect Game site, there's no team designation for it.
Okay.
So I think that's right.
Alright. Let's see what else we got here. How about Justin Farrer? That is to 25. Justin Farrar.
A-R-R.
AR.
Nothing on this street, but it's there. I can put an MLB team.
Alright. Well, here's a jumbo jersey auto. Stone Garrett. Stone Garrett.
Stone Garrett.
Yep.
Marlins.
Stone Garrett goes to the Marlins. Marlins. Let me put that in there. Marlins. Stone. Okay. Let's see the next one. Next one's pretty thick also. Alright, we got Jake Godfrey. Godfrey. Braves for Godfrey. Alright, let me go back in here. Comma. Godfrey. Okay. So that one's taken care of. That's good. Alright, Brandon Vicens. 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 Reds. Alright, Reds. Vicens. Vicens, Reds. Okay. Got that one. That's good. Got one more pack of here. And then we have the metal cards. Alright. This one's out of 10. Nicholas Padilla. Padilla. Nicholas Padilla.
Rays.
All right, Tampa Bay Rays. Who's got the Rays? Richard A's got that one. All right. So we'll pull that there. And then let's see what's in our special pack here. There we go. All right, you got a printing plate.
John Smith.
Yeah, right. All right, so we got Perfect Game Stars to 25, Mac Marshall. MAC Marshall.
Oh, Mac. M-A-C.
Yeah.
Getting there. All right. Run 4 Giants in 2015. Round 21 Astros in 14.
So go to the Astros at the time.
Astros.
Astros, Mark D. Astros in 2014, so that's where it's going to go. 2013 product. We got 101 printing plate of Zach, Z-A-C-K, Plunkett.
Zach Plunkett. No designation on the site.
Okay. Alright, now while we're looking at that crap, let me do Leaf Trinity 2014, because that might end up being the same thing since it's a Leaf product. Alright, let's look at Trinity here. Alright. Jose Almonte. Auto. Jose Almonte.
Jose Almonte.
Trying to find out what team.
I mean, I'm seeing DSL Rangers, Texas Rangers, Dominican Summer League. Is that?
Yeah, if he's with the Rangers. Rangers. Going with the Rangers on Jose Almonte. Alright. Next. Awesome patch auto here of Justice Sheffield. Awesome patch auto, Justice Sheffield. Oh, this one says on the back. This one doesn't say. This one says, drafted by Cleveland with the 34th first pick. There it is, right there. That's going to Cleveland. Indians. Tim W. So that one's okay. This one, though, is not. This one's 7 out of 10. Michael Geddes. Michael Geddes, hand signed, 7 out of 10. Or hand numbered, I mean.
You got the team on that one? Or you need to look?
No, I need a team, yeah.
Michael Geddes, G-E-D-D-Y-S, correct?
Yep.
Looks like it's Padres. Here.
Padres. So that's Rick A getting the Geddes. Okay. Alright, we got Nick Howard This one says right on it, go Reds. Nick Howard to 10 for the Reds. He made it easy for me. And the last one. Oh, this one's easy too. Kyle Schwarber, that's going to the Cubs. That's a boom right there. That's a boom. You can double check me on that one, Kev, but SCHWARBER. Yep. Cubs.
Kyle Schwarber.
Yeah. I mean, he should pop up. Just putting his Schwarber in there should pop up. Cubs. All right, Jumbo Bowman coming at us. Empty box. So these 5 cards have to be random at the end between hitless teams. All right, here we go. I'll do my best here. Clint Frazier. Don't worry, you still get all your base, plus we'll send you hobby packs for each spot you miss at. So you got a chance to pull something there too if you don't get a hit. Pack 2. Don't see any color. Minis. That's the 250. Andrew Vasquez, or Velasquez. Another mini. Okay. Whoop, there we go. Nationals. Marquise Grissom. Bowman Chrome. Auto. Nationals. Kent R. Old school. Jake Bowers for the Padres and Rich A. It's our second auto here. Cracked ice. Mini. Nothing there. Purple for the A's to 250 of Chad Pinder. Kyle Crick. Nothing else. Grant Holmes mini. Nothing there. Boston Red Sox, Jordan Betts. Jordan Betts auto, Vic J. Alright, let's see if we get some good parallels here in the last 3 packs. Mini. Nothing else there. Cracked ice of Dalton Pompey. Kyle Freeland mini. Nothing else there. Alright, let's see. I don't see any color there either. Okay, we got 1 pack left. Mini of Aaron Sanchez. Alright, that'll do it. Thanks for filling it. We'll do the random for those nameless teams between the hitless team, or nameless or teamless players with the hitless teams in a separate video. May your jerseys have color autos be on card.